Hey guys, so we're back in Jamaica. We're officially starting our vacation, and baby's here, and baby's on vacation too, right? Right?
Well, enough tomorrow.
Yeah. As usual, I'm gonna work me as usual. Free labor club, so we're there, and paycheck is yeah.
I'm
So
making a time vlog.
yeah, I get the envelope.
I'm making a time.
Yeah, friend about this time. But yeah, we're here, and I'm so bloated. So bloated. Alright, boo boo? No, my heart. I'm hot. Huh? It's gonna look good for you as life off. Guys, I look rough. I know I look rough. But we're at Montego Falls. Baby's doing some work here. So you see the beauty of coming to work with him. I get to go and see some places and thing. But my hair is a mess, don't mind it. However, we're here at Montego Falls, and you can see my little friend behind me here. Yeah, there's a snake. Oh, there's a python over there, but hold on. Hold on. As I was saying, so I don't know if you can see the snake right here. The snake is right here. There's another one somewhere, and this is called a ball python. Yeah, I don't see anything in this section. It's supposed to be a boa, but I don't see it. Yeah, alright, so we don't see them. And then we have the parrots here. Yellow bird parrot. Like a lot of noise. And if they talk. And then olive or parakeet. So them say a chat like a chat enough like a parakeet. This is what they're talking about. Yeah. Parakeet. Oh, and oh. I don't know if I'm gonna see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and it's looking right at me. Hold on, let me see if I can flip the camera. So it's right there. Might eat past something an hour. And then we have the tortoise, and they're right here. That's so cute. Hey guys, so it's our next day, and we're in Montego Bay today. We didn't get to come back last night after Montego Falls because I was tired, and then this morning I have to get up early again to come to where we at again? Jewel. What this place name again, babe? Jewel Grand.
Jewel Grand.
So
no,
we're at
the Palms.
We're at the Palms at Jewel Grand.
But it's the property is located on
Jewel Grand, right? So you see, a girl just be touring at this point, but you know they have leveled up my duties, so a girl is doing her supervisor roles here as well. Yeah, so we're just there. I guess they're going to help set up what's going on because we're here for some wedding and stuff and that. So yeah, we're just there. We got a thing, and yeah, I haven't eaten anything from morning. Like a white squall. No, I'm good. And babe not paying me no mind over there. You might even content in the morning.
What you go on there, I'm tired out. We're going over time reaching.
I never got home last night.
12 o'clock, 12, after 12. I will show out back by wake up 5 o'clock. You don't know, I have problem to get her out of the bed again. So, tough. Reach a Moby about after 9 this morning. So.
However, was I
Tough.
late though? The time I saw full of photos on time though, right? Don't leave that part out.
No, I wasn't late because, as I said, it was an issue to get her out of the bed, but never make it be a problem. I just stand up, turn and rough her up out of the bed. Go and go to bed.
Okay.
I'll make sure she go to bed before me this time. Is it me?
And it work out better, don't it? Be honest, it work out better, right? As I've been saying this whole time. Because I make my bed before you. Wait, me I make my bed before you. Because you see, if you get ready before me, you're going to rush me. And you see? I say, if you listen sometime, you know.
But they are still. I go and bleach, you know.
Yeah. I guess when we're done, we get something to eat. So I guess I'll come back to you guys after that. But we said vacation start, but we need to tell us that we're going to work first. Because we have to make the cheddar first. And then now the vacation start. Right?
Same so.
Yeah, so we just do what we have to do. And get the ball rolling. So we soon come. Alright guys, so we're going to get some food to eat now. This place is called Solace Restaurant in Montego Bay. My first time here. I guess babe has come here before. So let's see how it goes. We're trying to find a chalk to write our names, but we can't find them. I like this. This is nice ambience to get there. It's cool. Just you have to put it at the top. I can bet like that name all the way at the top, then you go on each other neck and get up here. So then I'm not chalk. Or you have to ask for it. There's one right there, so. Ooh, you've been up here. No? You send more picture of the view here already. Or video call me on this. No.
It's fake kills.
So guys, it's like days after, or a day after I come back to him. So we're there, get some ice cream, you know, Sunday. Jeez, we're doing just ice cream. So it's Sunday afternoon. You mix it? Mix?
Yeah.
Thank you. Huh? A union cocktail. Careful. Hey guys, so big jump like days after. Because they've been leaving me at home, so I don't have anything to vlog really. So, but today we're going to St. Elizabeth. I'm going home, but it's just literally for a few hours practically, right? So, because right now the time is like 11, almost 11:15 on a Tuesday, and we'll go back up. Went back to St. Catherine Town on Wednesday. So I'm really going down because I need to go see my brother and my niece, and I want to do my hair, and I need to see my baby, my son, my dog. Yeah, and I have my best friends to visit because my besties be down here, so I need to see them, and my mommy, my second mommy. So yeah, we're just there. We just almost reached and things. Just stopped at the convenience store and topped up because I'm doing an all-nighter to do my hair. And baby's over here. I eat one cake and
Double 7 up
himself. Yeah, and as you heard him, I brag. So I think him come tell. So yeah guys, so that's it. So I'll keep you guys updated when we get there. We should probably be there the next 30 minutes or less. Yeah. So, hey guys, so don't mind the bump, I'm afraid, and don't even mind how I'm looking. Okay. But we made it down safely. We did get down like 11:30. The time is now. Why we can't read the watch? What's going on? The time is now 3:20. I'm just messing with you guys. The time is now 3:27. And Trishy's here doing my hair, so we're patting it up and thing. A while ago, we did try to do some like a TikTok transition and waste 1 hour of unproductiveness because we're not good at transition. So this wasn't working out and stuff. So there, I bust an all-nighter. So you know who dead in the show tomorrow. Anyways, guys, so we come back with updates. Hopefully, she do a good job. Alright guys, so we still come, alright? Yeah.
Show me poor customer service. Alright, you have to get up now, man. Come reach another side.
She's just putting the pressure right now, no?
Come.
Oh, yeah, no, I did that then.
No. Clear?
So guys, the hair is done. We don't do the TikTok. But anyway, so the hair is done. This is how we're looking. Shit. So a lack of sleep. Yeah, so we're going on the road now. Come Trish. We're going on the road and stuff. I want to see my bestie boo. And think about as me telling us the milk from my mommy. Come back. And thing. So are you there? Alright guys, so we're here with the besties here. She is. Yeah, so we just went to get a few stuff. And my honey bunny's over there waiting on me. I'm there. Oh yeah, he's over there. Okay, so we're going to get some food and stuff. And then we have the besties to surprise. Other besties to surprise. And we're all
I'm
a part
sorry.
of this. We're all a part
I'm
of
sorry in advance, Sana.
Come through. We're baby ready. So we're going to KFC now. And see. Why it looks so, you know, look different? Hello. See doors to it? Yeah, okay. So this is the moment we've been waiting for. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So we're going to surprise Senorita right now. I think a little part feels like she knows me there and she just start playing naive with me. I feel like she knows me there, though, so you just bet say when we reach I go on like. So let's see, but we're approaching there. Alright, right? Yeah, right here. So go very quietly, babe, and slowly. Slowly. Okay, no one at the home either. No? It's not
Surprise, she surprised me.
Stop it! Babe! What is that? Yeah, come. Wanna come? Come now. to you. Hello?
Sana is care.
About work and I say, yeah, man.
I don't know if we accidentally said something.
Me not chat to you. Me not chat to
I
you.
love you too. So hold on then. So just get home before you.
Oh my gosh, she in a bad vibes with it right now. She in a way right now.
Bye.
Wow, this is the go as I planned.
Where are you testing from there?
So guys, I'm leaving now. And we bathed him today, but he needs a second bath and stuff. This is my baby. And I feel sad that I'm leaving him. Have his mom? Hey guys. Oh, sorry.
Take her to the beach and from there to my home.
Okay. So we made it back from St. Elizabeth safely. This is like how many days after?
Yeah.
A day after? Yeah. So we made it back from St. Elizabeth and this is how the hair came out. I got inches now. But yeah, so I'm gonna close off this vlog. We're gonna start a fresh new one. I'm gonna end this vlog and then we're gonna just jump into another one. So say bye, baby. Say bye to the people.
Toodles.
Toodles.